In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Notion page to another account. This guide will walk you through the entire process in a clear and simple way, making it easy to move pages between different Notion workspaces. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to transfer templates, dashboards, or full pages from one account to another without losing structure or content. This is especially useful if you manage both personal and work accounts, collaborate with different teams, or want to reuse a page in a separate workspace. To begin, sign into your first Notion account and open the page you want to copy. This can be any type of page, such as a template, a project dashboard, a notes page, or a task tracker. The process works the same regardless of the page type, so the important part is making sure the page is fully loaded and ready to share. Next, move your cursor to the top right corner of the Notion page and click the Share button. This opens the sharing settings, which control how your page can be accessed. Inside this menu, locate the option to publish the page to the web and turn it on. When you do this, Notion creates a public version of the page that can be accessed through a link. This does not mean the page is searchable or open to everyone, since only people with the link can view it, and you can disable access at any time. Within the same sharing panel, look for the option that allows duplication as a template. Make sure this setting is enabled. This part is essential because it allows the page to be copied into another Notion account. Without it, the page can only be viewed and not duplicated, so double-checking this setting will save you time later. Once everything is enabled, Notion will generate a shareable link. Copy this link as you will need it to move the page to your second account. After copying the link, log into your other Notion account or switch to the correct workspace. Paste the copied link into your browser's address bar and open it. The page will load just like a regular Notion page, but this time you will see an option near the top that allows you to duplicate it. Click the duplicate button, then choose where you want the page to be added in your workspace. Notion will create an exact copy, including layouts, databases, and content. Once duplicated, the page is completely independent from the original. You can edit it, customize it, and organize it however you like without affecting the first account. And that's it. You have successfully copied a Notion page to another account with all of its content intact. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.